I did an Instagram story of what I had in my Data Crew pouch. So I'm here to deliver and let you guys know exactly what I was able to get through TSA. What's up guys, Mikey Messini here with Mikey Daily Carry. I hope everyone has been well. I am making this video from Hawaii, specifically Kauai. I landed yesterday. I did an Instagram story of what I had in my Data Crew pouch. So I'm here to deliver and let you guys know exactly what I was able to get through TSA. This right here is the What a Junior by Data Crew. And this is the multicam black version. And then if you look back here, let's start off with this. I got my Pimp My Pouch by Pocket Filled. I have my Peace Bullet Maxpedition RE. This is a Remington Defense RE. And then this patch right here is also by Maxpedition. This is their Everyday Carry EDC patch. And then if we move to the front, right in here, there are Band-Aids and alcohol wipes, just in case I get an ouchie boo-boo. And then if we open this up, where you really want to know, I got my Everyday Hank. This is the Topograph Everyday Hank. Apologize if you guys hear noise. I'm in the nice weather and the nature right now, you know? I want it to be organic. And then in here, let's take a look. On the left side, I have my Leatherman Style PS. This does not have a blade on it. And honestly, the experience was pretty easy. They didn't even look in the pouch or anything like that. I just put it in the bin, went right through the scanner, and no problems, no issues. They didn't have to put my bag aside or anything like that. So I have Leatherman Style PS. This is the multi-tool that I have in my pouch. I have a bolt action pen. This right here is by Gear. This is their mini bolt action pen. Still haven't been able to put a lanyard on here for easier access or a key ring, because it is a keychain pen as well. And then this right here is the Countycomm titanium bit driver. It's like a little fidget spinner as well on top, but real easy to just screw and unscrew different things. And I have the bits right there as well that go along with that. Behind this I have my Toolcard Pro, and this is the black coated version. There's 40 tools in one on this bad boy. Used it already to pop open a bottle. Really nice and handy. That's what I have on the left side. And then over on the right side of the pouch, gotta have my nail clippers. I have my pry bar by Dailycarryco Company. That's my brother Rooster right there. He's just waking everybody up. And then this right here is a little fidget. Fortunately, I don't have any REs on the inside. Forgot that. But on the back side, I have the Aurora A2 flashlight, mini flashlight, super bright, 650 lumens out of this little guy right here. All stainless steel, USB-C charging. And then I have my Bic lighter, but what's nice about this is that I have the AG leather sleeve for this lighter. Really gives it that nice pop, gives it a lot more of a grip when I'm using it as well. And then lastly, I have my Levergear cable kit, and this is the USB-A to Lightning, but I also have the micro USB adapter. And that is what was in my pouch that I got through TSA. No issues whatsoever. Hopefully I don't get flagged on my way back home, but I'll make sure I update you guys on that as well. Mikey Daily Carry. Make sure you share, subscribe, enjoy. Peace out.